Mica. I'm with Carl. We trust Autozkin and Modesta to protect our car. We are here today at Autovault Speed Shop because we are picking up our newest baby, the brand new Defender. Actually, we just got this car a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, and we decided to bring it here at Autovault Speed Shop. So out of all the car options, why did we choose the Defender?
Yeah, because we love going up the mountain, especially in San Mateo Rizal, where UCM Adventure Park is located.
Yes.
The Defender is the perfect car for us because we love off-roading, camping, and road trips. Yeah.
Actually, we plan on going on a long drive to Benguet.
Yeah, in Sagada.
Yeah, and before we already did a 12-hour road trip to Bicol, so we really like going out on adventures. So today we are here with Rack.
Hello.
And he's gonna tell us more about what they do at Autovault Speed Shop.
Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. You guys know what we do, but to those who don't, we are a one-stop shop here in Taguig. We do detailing, we do ceramic coating, we do paint protection film for your cars, and we also do car parts. We can source for you like aftermarket or replacement parts.
Okay, so beside us is our car, which they treated with Autozkin and Modesta. So Rack, tell us, what is Autozkin and Modesta?
So basically, Modesta is a Japan premium glass coating that we put in paint. We can put in windows. We have applications for high temp coating, which will apply to wheels, your calipers, and then we also have like leather protection system and engine coating. For the PPF, it's Autozkin. It's the thickest PPF in the market. We have two PPFs, the matte one and the gloss, which is the normal
Yeah,
ones.
I noticed that.
Yeah,
This one is the glossy.
Yeah, as you can see with their Defender, we put gloss on the gloss parts, and then we put matte PPF on the matte finish parts.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so now that we know what Autozkin and Modesta is, how is it gonna protect our car from our adventures when we go off-road?
Basically, with the PPF and the coating already installed in your car, you go to the mountain, and of course there's roots that have branches and like cracks and everything. So what the PPF will do is, for example, you hit a tree or you hit a branch, it will absorb the impact of the branch, and for example, you park under a tree and some fruit or something falls off your hood. Basically, the PPF also will absorb the impact, so the original paint won't be damaged, and we don't have to do like dent repair or something.
Yeah, I heard about this. It has a self-healing like mechanism.
Yes, correct.
It's so cool, guys. Like if you get your car scratched, the scratch will disappear.
Yeah. Of course, being a plastic, the Autozkin is plastic. It still depends on the extent of the damage.
That's so good to know, Rap. Actually, every time we go on an off-road adventure, I notice that our car gets soaked in mud and all the dirt gets stuck on the hood, on the tires. So, what is the advantage of having Modesta and Autozkin on the car?
You'll notice that when you go down, when you do your car wash, you can notice, I'm sure you will notice that you don't need like too much effort. The water will just do its state, and it will just clean itself. In the rims and the tires, your wheels are Modesta coated, so I'm sure the brake dust and the muds are much more easier to clean than compared to other cars that's not been protected.
Okay, so now that we know that our car is protected on the outside, tell us, what did you do on the inside? How will it protect our car?
Interior wise, we coated all the leather parts We coated it with the Modesta LPS, the leather protection system. We also put PPF on the door sills. This is a high traffic area, so most probably this part will be scratched. But we took the liberty of putting a paint protection film here. Also, if you can see the screen, all the gloss black buttons, the lever, the transmission lever is also protected with PPF. So specifically for gloss black panels, all the scratches will be avoided.
Thank you, Rack, for telling us more about the Modesta and Autozkins. And if you guys want to get your cars protected, just look for Rack here at Autovault Speed Shop, and their social media pages are?
We're on Instagram at Autovault_Speed Shop, at Modesta Philippines, and at Autozkin_PH.
Yes, if you guys want to go on an outdoor adventure, if you need ATVs or recreational equipment, please do go visit our Facebook page. It's UCM ATV Motors, and for the Adventure Park, it's UCM Adventure Park. And we are also on Instagram at UCM Group of Companies Inc. And the Adventure Park Instagram is at UCM Adventure Park. Thank you so much, Rob.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.